Figure Collage is a shape collage maker that lets you make a shape collage from your photos within a few seconds. I will use Figure Collage in this video to make a shape collage such as these examples. I will also show you how to make a number photo collage. Towards the end, I will show you how to make a photo collage for any word or text. Let's make our first shape collage. Open Figure Collage and select an output size for your collage. I will use 8000 pixels wide and 6000 pixels high size for this collage. Let us add pictures to our collage. You can add as many pictures as you want. We will now select the heart shape for our collage. I will later show you how to choose any custom shape, number, or text as the shape for your collage. Let's generate our collage. Notice how Figure Collage has laid out the pictures to form the heart shape. You can increase and decrease the size of photos in the collage. You can modify the rotation of photos in the collage. You can also turn picture shadows off or on. You can change the background color. You can increase or decrease the border width on pictures. You can also change the border color on the pictures. You can move a picture around. You can make it larger or smaller. You can also rotate the picture. You can move the selected image to the top or bottom of all pictures. You can also remove the selected picture altogether. You can drag a picture from the Pictures pane into the collage. Let's export the collage to a JPG image. You can print, email, or share the shape collage JPG on social media. Let's go back to Figure Collage. You can invert the shape to lay out pictures outside it. Apart from the many shapes available in Figure Collage, you can use any black and white image as a shape. Let us now make a number shape photo collage. Before I do that, let me switch back to using the white background color. We use the freeform cell style for the heart collage. Let us use the rectangular cell style for the number photo collage. First, let us set a number as the shape for our collage. Let's generate the collage. You can increase or decrease the spacing between pictures. You can move a picture to a different cell. You can crop the selected picture. You can also remove it from the collage. You can drag a picture from the Pictures pane into the collage. We're using the default cell placement. Let's switch to the shape masked cell placement and regenerate the collage. Notice that this masks the grid of images to the shape. Figure Collage has a text editor that lets you add text to your collage. Before I add some text, let me move the shape to make some space for the text. Generate the collage. Let us now add text to our collage. Let me use a larger font. Use black color for our text. Let us now make a photo collage for a text shape. In this example, we will make a thank you shape collage. You can use any other text and characters from any language. Let us use the circular cell style for this collage. Generate the collage. Figure Collage gives you limitless options for creating a shape collage. Here are a few sample shape collages made using Figure Collage. If you find this video helpful, please like it. Please subscribe to our channel as well.